Welcome to our quick guide on the ArtisGain.com Compounding Calculator, a key tool for smart trading. Just as a seed grows into a tree, your investments can grow significantly over time through compounding. Let's get started. Compounding is the process in which your investment earns returns, and then those returns earn more returns. Over time, this cycle continues, and your original amount grows exponentially. It's essential for anyone looking to increase their investment significantly. To use a compounding calculator, you'll need to input your starting equity, the number of periods you plan to invest for, and the expected gain percent per period. A period could be a month, a year, or any interval you choose. Remember, the gain percent per period should be entered as a decimal. For example, for a 5% gain, you would input 0.05. Now, let's calculate the ending equity. This is done by multiplying your starting equity by 1 plus the gain percent per period raised to the power of the number of periods. This formula shows the effect of compounding over your chosen intervals, reflecting how your investment grows. Next, we calculate the total gain percent. This is the percentage growth of your investment from start to end. Subtract your starting equity from the ending equity, divide by the starting equity, and then multiply by 100 to get the total gain percent. Let's run through an example. If you start with $10,000, expect a 5% gain per period over 10 periods. Let's see how much your investment could grow. Inputting a starting equity of $10,000, a gain percent per period of 0.05, 5%, and 10 periods into our compounding calculator, the ending equity is calculated as follows. Your investment would grow to $16,288.95, an increase of $6,288.95 over the initial $10,000. To calculate the total gain percent, using our compounding calculator, you can see the ending equity and your total gain percent, demonstrating the power of compounding on your investments. Understanding compounding is essential for every investor looking to grow their wealth over time. The compounding calculator is just one of the many tools available on ArtisGain.com to help you plan and achieve your financial goals. Join ArtisGain.com today and gain free access to our trading tools. Trade smarter and earn up to 50% cash back on your trading spreads.